What if I told you a brand new ETF just gathered $22 billion in less than 3 months? Not a Bitcoin fund, not an AI play, a money market fund. This is IQMM, and it is rewriting the rules of how cash sits in your portfolio. IQMM is the ProShares Genius Money Market ETF. It launched on February 17th, 2026, and it is the very first money market ETF designed to meet the new Genius Act standards for stablecoin reserves. That single fact is why the inflows have been historic. The numbers are staggering. In just over 2 months on the market, IQMM has gathered more than $22 billion in assets. To put that in perspective, most successful new ETFs need years to reach $1 billion. IQMM did 22 times that in 10 weeks. Under the hood, IQMM holds a portfolio of ultra-short-term U.S. Treasury bills, notes, and cash. The average maturity stays at 60 days or less, which keeps interest rate risk low and yields tightly tracking the federal funds rate. Distributions are paid out weekly, not monthly, which is a real differentiator for income investors. Here is the catch most retail investors are missing. Unlike a traditional money market fund, IQMM does not maintain a stable $1 share price. The NAV floats with the market value of its holdings, calculated twice a day. That means in a sudden rate shock or treasury market dislocation, your share price can drop, even by a few cents. It looks like cash, but it is not exactly cash. So why does this exist? The Genius Act was passed to give stablecoin issuers like Circle and Tether a regulated, transparent vehicle to back their tokens with U.S. treasuries. IQMM was purpose-built to be that vehicle. The $22 billion in inflows is largely institutional money moving into a structure that meets the new compliance bar. Retail investors are riding the same wave. Performance has been exactly what you would expect. The 30-day yield is currently in the low 5% range, mirroring short-term treasury rates. There is no capital appreciation play here. You are buying it for the yield and the convenience of holding it like a stock in your brokerage account. Who is IQMM actually for? It is built for investors parking cash they want to earn a real yield on, while keeping it instantly tradable inside a regular brokerage account. It is also useful for people who want money market exposure inside a Roth IRA or a taxable account without opening a separate money market sweep. The honest reality is this: IQMM is a clever wrapper around very boring assets. The yield is competitive, the liquidity is excellent, but it is not FDIC insured. The NAV can move, and it is not actually a savings account. Treat it as a cash management tool, not a guaranteed deposit. If you are using IQMM or another high-yield cash ETF in your portfolio, drop a comment below and tell us what you are using it for. If this breakdown helped you understand the Genius Act story, hit like and subscribe so you do not miss the next ETF deep dive.